Hi Revolve, I'm Tess Christine, and today I'm going to share with you how I pack for a weekend getaway, fitting everything I need in just a carry-on. Starting off with what I'm putting everything in. So my favorite suitcase that I use for pretty much every carry-on adventure is my Béis carry-on suitcase. I love it. It fits everything I need. It's just really sturdy, even if I have to check it. Or my personal item, or the one that I like carry with me or don't put in an overhead, I use this one. It is really comfy to have on your shoulder if you need it. And it also has one of the little like side pockets, so I can easily slip it onto my suitcase. It just makes the whole process very streamlined. One of my biggest tips and the way I prevent myself from overpacking is plan out my outfits ahead of time. I do this every time. Sometimes I'll even take mirror pics and make a little album on my phone. I'll even do like a flat lay on my suitcase and kind of plan out the outfits, plan out the jewelry, the shoes, the bags. And so when I pull it out of the suitcase, everything's ready to go and it's all organized. So for this trip, I need a couple day looks for exploring the town, a swimsuit, and a couple dinner outfits. So I'm going to give you a sneak peek into some of the things that I'm packing. I think sets are so nice because they take a lot of the guesswork in creating an outfit. This set is so cute. It's a knit set, so it has a top. It's from the brand MAJORELLE, and it's so comfy. These little tiny micro shorts are so in right now too, and this set is just like a perfect day look, even like a beachside, like cafe style look. I think this one would be really fun. I picture it with like a cute little headscarf and a bunch of gold jewelry. I love it. This next sweater I think will be perfect for where I'm going. It is this gorgeous striped sweater, and I really like how it has this really cute lace detailing on the collar. So pretty. I actually totally copied Revolve's website on how they styled it because I absolutely loved it. So this with this tiny cute little skirt, which I love this because I can also mix and match this with other things. And then a cute little headband with little strappy sandals. So cute, so French. I wanted something practical, but also just something I could easily throw on in case I had something last minute to do or something where I just didn't know what to wear. And I absolutely love this. This is a set from More to Come, and it is like a capri set. So capris really in right now. And then a little strapless top. This set is just so effortless and it just looks chic. This is another one that's really fun to accessorize. All you need is like a good bag with a bunch of jewelry and some cute strappy sandals, which a lot of these can mix and match because that's what you need when you pack. You don't want to have to pack a bunch of shoes. You want stuff that can go with like multiple different outfits. I feel like this will just be really good to have as a backup, but also just a cute little day outfit as well. Moving on to the dresses, which is always so fun because when you go on vacation and you get dressed for dinner, it's like the most fun to get ready and just get all cute and take a bunch of cute photos. So this dress I saw and I absolutely loved. It is this strapless, flowy yellow, which is the color of the season right now, dress. And it comes with a little neck scarf, so cute. This one also is such a good dress to pack because you can kind of just do this and it gets really small and you can like kind of put it in your bag and it's not gonna wrinkle crazy. This next dress is from one of my favorite brands on Revolve, Tularosa. This one is so stunning. It is this beautiful, silky, kind of in this like buttery cream color with lace detailing. This is just gonna fit the location that I'm going so well. This one is just effortless. It's like a beautiful slip dress. You can kind of just throw this on. I just think these type of dresses are so stunning. This is another one by Tularosa. Their dresses right now are so cute. It's kind of this like baby doll style dress, but I love the detailing on it. I just think this one is really, really pretty. And with just like little flats and like cute little earrings, it's just dainty and girly. We're going to France, south of France, and I just feel like this fits the vibe so well. Tip with this dress, I bring this handy dandy wrinkle release spray that saves me with dresses like that. So easy to pack. It gets the wrinkles out really easily. I'm pretty sure the place we're going to will have a steamer, which will be great for dresses like this. But when you want just like a quick fix on something like that, that's a really good packing tip. So let's talk about packing and actual packing tips. For me personally, especially if I'm not going anywhere for a super long time, I like to organize my packing cubes in day and night looks. That way, when I take them out of my suitcase, I have like a day one that I can like go and hang up, and then the night looks. It just makes it easier, especially if the day looks can like stay folded and then I can hang up the dresses. It just, everything is in like a nice organized manner. This helps everything just stay compact and not get like lost in the shuffle. Also, personally, I have found that it helps not make things super, super wrinkled. Depending on the items, I will roll everything, but for this trip, I'm able to fold them nice and neat and kind of have them in the packing cubes that way. Another thing in this handy zip compartment, I had mentioned that I have my Downy spray. Some other stuff I keep in here are little like pasties, double-sided tape, crucial for the type of things I'm packing. Also just great for like little emergencies, little fashion emergencies. For shoes, I basically put them right into the suitcase. I kind of like stack them like so to get the most out of my space. If I don't have enough room in the actual suitcase, my personal carry-on item has a little zipper pouch right here that I can fit in some extra little like flat sandals or things like that. Now let's talk about jewelry. So I recently got this jewelry holder, which has been a lifesaver. So basically it has little sections. So this is for rings. Then I have earrings here. I just got these, which are so cute and literally go with every single thing I pack. In here I have little like bracelets and necklaces that are like a little bit bigger, like a necklace like this, kind of like shells. So cute. And then this is just really nice because it rolls up and it keeps everything nice and compact. Moving on, we're gonna talk about beauty products and how I pack all of that and toiletries, just because that can be kind of tricky sometimes. First, going in the suitcase, I have this little case to hold all my skincare, which is so handy. I didn't have this for a long time and this has just been such a lifesaver. Inside, I have a bunch of skincare products that change out frequently just because as skincare does, and just things that I'm bringing for the specific destination that I'm going. So I have some bronzing drops. I just got this little travel set from Summer Fridays on Revolve, and this is so handy. I love the jet lag mask. I've used it a bunch. I've had the full size, but it's nice when they come in like a little tiny thing because it's just easier to pack. It comes with the jet lag mask, again in the mini size. It also has hydration serum, which is so nice when you're traveling on the plane for a long time. And then a hydrating mist, which is just really great, especially like after a day at the pool. Amazing. Sunscreen every day, no matter where you're going, what you're doing. But I love this for when I travel. It's the glow screen. It just gives you the most beautiful sheen and like glow on your face, especially during the day when you're just like want to be by the pool. This is so nice. You can still take pictures. It looks good under makeup. Love it. In here, I have the shower essentials. So I have shampoo and conditioner, and my toothbrush, toothpaste, a razor. This I'm bringing specifically for this trip. It's the Vacation SPF 30 baby oil. It came in this like little mini size. So handy, and this is just really good to just have, but I also like it because it gives you a nice little glow. And then this I also got from Revolve. You'll see that another bit that it came with. It's in my personal bag, but this is just body wash. It came with body wash, lotion, and like a spray. Again, in a really handy beauty travel kit. And I put this in with my shower essentials just to make it easier for me. Hair tools. This little travel kit is great because it keeps everything contained. A little wet brush, some dry shampoo, hair elastics if I want to put my hair like in a half up, little braids, anything like that. Bobby pins, my hair roller for my bangs, and that's pretty much it. But it's nice that I can just kind of keep it all contained in this. Otherwise it would just be free floating in my suitcase. Continuing on with the beauty items, let's talk about my personal bag, the one that I have with me at arm's reach on the plane. Of course, we have the essentials. I don't have my computer in here right now, but this is where my computer will go. Makeup bag. I keep my makeup bag with me in my personal item because I don't want to have to access it in my carry-on if it's like up in the bulkhead or even down below. obviously I wouldn't be able to get it. So it's nice that it's with me in case I need to do any touch-ups or look good when I get off the plane. This bag has all of my chargers, electronic little devices. This little thing's handy. You know, you take your cute photos on your camera. This plugs right into your phone. Computer charger, camera charger, portable charger, chargers, all of the above are in here. I have my deodorant. I bring this with me on the plane, especially when I'm traveling far. So like I mentioned with that Sol de Janeiro body wash in the beauty kit from Revolve, it also came with a little mini bum cream, which I love this. I wish I could bring more than this on the plane, but they would take it from me. So this is a perfect size. This is great if I just need a little moisturizer refresh, but also to use when I get there. Spray perfume. This is great. I have another perfume that is more of like a night perfume that I have in my skincare box bag thing, but this is great just for like a day. Nice little spray. I love that that kit came with all 3 of those. Lip balm, always. Hand sanitizer, of course. We've got gum, tissues, a pen, you know, you never know. Hair clip, all the things. Some other beauty items that I have back in the zip pouch here. Face mask, of course. This is a little Summer Fridays eye mask that actually came with the other Summer Fridays items. So it was a very good deal because you get literally everything you could need with this. Lemme, okay? I actually wish I could bring all of these. Sometimes I do. I will like empty them into like a container. I have Lemme Deep Bloat. Always good, especially when you're going somewhere warm and getting off a plane. I also use the Lemme Sleep if I have a red eye. So that way I can just have a good snooze on the plane. Socks, sunnies, always. Of course, my wallet and passport are in there. And then I have this little bag here, which has my AirPods, and it has this little device here that I can plug into the TV screen and that will connect to my AirPods. And last but not least, sanitization. We wipe it all down. You know what I mean? When we get on the plane, it's just essential. It's great to have in my easy access reach personal bag. So that is everything that I am packing for this little getaway. I hope you got some travel hacking tips or just styling tips for your next trip. You can shop all of the outfit looks that I mentioned, as well as some of the beauty travel essentials on Revolve, the link in the description box below. Be sure to subscribe to Revolve's YouTube channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.